cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we're going to be doing some Phat Cornrows low manipulation style for growth and moisture retention. And I was just showing you the products that we're using, her usual products we're trying to stick to. On this particular scene, her hair has been fully washed, conditioned, and somewhat deep conditioned. We did use the rice water as the shampoo today. And I do want to speak on the particular rice water. This will be her second time doing the rice water treatment. So I do want to say there has been less shedding. I do feel like there is some type of film on the hair. I don't know if that's a protective barrier or is that a shield, or I don't know exactly what it is, but it's some type of film that's on the hair and it's not actually washing out. But I do know upon research on the rice water that once you put the rice water in, whatever needs to be left on the hair will remain. So that's why it doesn't make sense to actually spray your hair daily or use it as a spritz or use it as a leave-in, because it's already attached to the hair. So yeah, I do want to mention that it is a film on the hair. I do want to say her hair appears to be a little bit more fuller. Not much, but you know, just a little bit. So yeah, those are the results of the rice water thus far. Like I said, we're going to be using the rice water for a little while just to see if her hair can thicken up, strengthen up, and if she could get her 6.5 inches back from the trim. So we're just trying to do some low manipulation, protective styling on the hair for right now, just to boost, you know, health and growth. So yeah, that's why we decided to do the Phat Cornrows. She insisted on braids. She really loves to get her hair braided, and I didn't want to put too much tension on her hair but also give her what she wanted, so we decided to go with the larger braids instead. So that's what we're doing today, just oiling the scalp, moisturizing the hair with the Shea Moisture, Jamaican black castor oil, strengthen and restore lotion, styling lotion. So that's what we've been using lately, just to try to, you know, add some strength to her hair. And like it says, it's a restorative type of lotion, so that's what we're using instead of the pink oil right now. I want to see how this works on her hair on a regular basis. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And I'm just about to part her hair off. Now on the sides of her hair, that is the thinnest, as well as with mine. For some reason, you know, our hair has thinned out on the side. Well, mine has been thin for a while based on wearing wigs and stuff like that. But I'm not really sure why hers has gotten so much thinner. But I think it is because of the repeated braids. She loves them so much, but too much of anything is not good. So I'm trying to get her to understand that. And also, like I said, we've been trying to use different type of brushes and stuff like that. And some of the brushes have pulled out the hair from the scalp. So a lot of things could be factors in the thinning of the hair. So I just want to take precautions. I'm not trying to use any more new tools or any more new products right now on her hair in particular, because she does have very fine hair and it's, you know, easy to braid anyway. So I just want to just use the normal things that we used in the past and try to do protective styling that doesn't strain the hair or strain the scalp or anything like that. So that's what we're doing in this video. It's just, I was trying to braid the hair kind of loosely and not too tight. I have been thinking about blow drying her hair before braiding it, because I do feel like wet hair is weaker anyway. So we'll see in the future if we decide to start drying her hair first on like a warm setting and then braiding it up, just to give the hair a little bit more strength. But anyway, I'm going to be quiet. If y'all have any suggestions, any input, any feedback on what you think that we should do with her hair, then please leave them below. But yeah, I'm going to be quiet and allow you guys to the opportunity to watch the installation process. And also, we do plan on leaving these in until next wash day if we can keep them looking neat. Because I did braid them kind of loosely and not tight. I'm not sure if she'll be able to last until next wash day, but we'll see. So yeah. Yes, I did want to mention too that we did do a little more trimming on the front section of her hair just to get some of those ends off. And I did want to say that the less shedding that she's been experiencing may be coming from the fact that she did get her ends clipped. So it could be the rice water, it could be the fact that she just recently got a trim. And periodically, I do still trim a little bit just to gradually get rid of all of the damaged ends, split ends, you know, things of that nature. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in to let you guys know. But we do still have a little bit of damage control that we need to do on those ends. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is basically the finished look. I did lock in her ends with some Eco Style gel, the one with the argan oil. You can use either one. It's just that her ends are really, really blunt and they're not staying braided. They're actually unraveling, but I wanted to add this to the end. Maybe later on in the week we may add some rods or even turn the back of the braids into a ball or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is the finished look. I do want to thank you guys for tuning in today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love. And as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the
I'm so
track.
nappy, cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy,
M.O.B.
cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a tapu. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffaloes. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco, organ all up in